Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Katrina Kaif can wash all the dishes she wants on Instagram, Alaya F can do all the headstands she wants on TikTok, and any number of girls can belly dance on VMate, another TikTok lookalike app. But none of this seems to matter when PM Modi puts his weight behind an app. That app is Arogya Setu, the government's COVID-19 tracing app, which is now India's most downloaded app according to Android app rankings. Since entering India in 2017, TikTok has been rocketing in popularity, and both in 2019 and 2020 is consistently the most downloaded app in the world, largely driven by Indian downloads. TikTok dominates India's download charts along with WhatsApp, India's most popular messaging app with 400 million users in India. Other popular apps in India are gaming apps like Ludo King, Carrom Pool, and of course PUBG. Since the lockdown, even conferencing app Zoom has entered the top 5 most downloaded apps in India. Look at some of these download figures for TikTok, WhatsApp and Zoom. Zoom only had 125,000 downloads in the first 10 days of March, but since the lockdown on the 25th of March, Zoom now has over 14 million downloads. However, since the 2nd of April, there's a new kid on the block reigning the charts. That is the government's COVID-19 tracing app Arogya Setu, which is promoted by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
कोरोना संक्रमण का फैलाव रोकने में मदद करने के लिए आरोग्य सेतु मोबाइल ऐप, आरोग्य सेतु मोबाइल ऐप जरूर डाउनलोड करें। आरोग्य सेतु मोबाइल ऐप, मैंने अभी एक टीवी के अंदर एक किसी कलाकार का देखा था, उसने इस आरोग्य सेतु मोबाइल ऐप को बॉडीगार्ड कहा है। ये मोबाइल ऐप कोरोना से लड़ाई के लिए बहुत उपयोगी है। ये ऐप आपके मोबाइल में रहेगा तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपके गांव में सामने वाला किसी ऐसे इलाके से तो नहीं आया जो कोरोना प्रभावित रहा हो।
In less than 30 days of its April 2nd launch, Arogya Setu has gained 75 million downloads. On the 15th of April, Amitabh Kant, the Niti Aayog CEO, said Arogya Setu was the fastest app in the world to reach 50 million users in a matter of 13 days after its launch. This massive adoption rate comes despite internet and privacy activists saying Arogya Setu is a risk towards a permanent system of mass surveillance. So how did that happen? After all, Arogya Setu is not a social media app but a contact tracing app and gives health-related information. It has no entertainment value, you can't watch belly dancers on it, and you can't play games on it. The answer could lie in the Modi effect. PM Modi has pushed and encouraged for Arogya Setu to be downloaded. Taking a lead from the PM, other public figures and government entities have also promoted the app. Celebrities like Ajay Devgan and in a BCCI video, cricketers past and present like Virat Kohli, Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar have pushed for Arogya Setu to be downloaded. PM Modi responded to tweets of even unverified users who talk about using the Arogya Setu app. Overall, the PM's tweets on Arogya Setu have been retweeted approximately 86,900 times. Bill Gates commended the PM on setting up Arogya Setu, and that gives additional exposure to the app when one of the richest people in the world mentions an app. Ministers including Home Minister Amit Shah, state entities and private firms like Zomato are encouraging its partners to download the app. The police have put up signs next to the roadblocks asking to download the app. And don't forget the multiple text messages sent to people asking to download the app, and also the WhatsApp forwards on pro-Modi groups asking people to download Arogya Setu. On TikTok alone, there are over 32 million views of videos carrying the hashtag Arogya Setu, and not all these mentions are because of a government push, but because citizens have now taken it upon themselves to talk about and spread awareness of the app, indicating just how potent the Modi effect can be.
तो कृपया करके सभी एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करें और अपना स्वास्थ्य बनाए रखें। जय हिंद।
For The Print, this is Regina Mihuklu-Surya. If you have downloaded Arogya Setu, let us know in the comments below and tell us why you decided to download the app. Was it because of the Modi effect or was it because a friend told you about it? Let us know in the comment section below and do not forget to keep tabs on us across all forms of social media.